Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session on trademarks protecting your brand. I'm thrilled to talk about one of the most crucial aspects of building and safeguarding a business, your trademark. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a lawyer, or someone interested in intellectual property, this session will provide valuable insights into how trademarks work and how they can protect your brand. So we'll cover what trademarks are, why they are important, the process of registering a trademark, and the steps you can take to protect it. Let's start with basics. A trademark is a recognizable sign, design, or expression that distinguishes the products or services of a particular source from others. It could be a word, a logo, a symbol, or even a sound. Essentially, it represents your brand identity. A trademark is more than just a logo or name. It's a distinctive symbol, word, phrase, design, or a combination of this element that sets your product or service apart from others in the marketplace. So think of some famous brands like Coca-Cola, BBC News, McDonald's, or Apple's iconic Apple symbol. These trademarks immediately tell consumer that this product is from this company, establishing a direct connection between the brand and the goods or services being offered. Now, trademarks serve several key purposes. First, they act as a source identifier, making it easier for customers to recognize your brand in the crowded market. When people see a mark, they know it represents your business, and they often associate it with a certain level of quality and reputation. Second, a trademark helps you to protect your brand. By registering a trademark, you can gain exclusive legal right to use that mark for your specific product or services. This means you can prevent competitors from using similar names, logos, or designs that could confuse customers or dilute your brand identity. Finally, trademarks benefit not only businesses but also consumers. They enable customers to make informed choices, knowing they can trust the product or service based on its brand identity. Whether it's distinctive shape of Coca-Cola bottle or the slogan "Just Do It" by Nike, a trademark is a powerful tool that safeguards both brand value and consumer trust. In short, trademark is the cornerstone of building a recognizable, reputable brand, ensuring that both businesses and consumers can thrive in a competitive environment. Let's now dive into why trademarks are so important for businesses. At its core, a trademark is a critical asset that helps protect your brand's identity. But its value goes far beyond just a name or logo. Here are a few key reasons why trademarks matter so much. First and foremost, trademarks create brand recognition. Think about the power of seeing the Nike swoosh or McDonald's golden arches instantly. You know what those symbols present. Trademarks helps customer quickly identify your products or services in a crowded market, giving you a competitive edge. They are the face of your brand, and with time, they become associated with the quality and reputation of your business. Second, trademark provides legal protection. Once you register a trademark, you gain the exclusive right to use that mark for your goods or services. This means you can prevent competitors from using a similar logo, name, or design that might confuse customer or harm your brand's identity. It's legal shield that helps you guard the distinctiveness of your brand, allowing you to take action against any potential infringement. Third, trademarks add businesses value. Over time, as your brand grows, so does the value of your trademark. It becomes a valuable asset that can be licensed, franchised, or even sold. Investors and potential buyers often see a strong, well protected trademark as a sign of a solid, established businesses. In some cases, the trademark alone can be one of the most valuable parts of company. Lastly, trademarks build Consumer trust and loyalty. When customers recognize your brand through your trademark, they associate it with a certain level of quality and consistency. This trust makes it easier for customer to return to your brand, helping you build a loyal customer base over time. So, in summary, trademarks are essential because they help protect your brand, secure legal rights, increase your business value, and foster customer trust. They are the backbone of brand identity, allowing businesses to grow and thrive in a competitive world. Now that we have discussed the importance of trademark, let's explore the different types of trademarks. Each type serves a unique purpose, and understanding them is crucial for protecting your brand effectively. First, we have the most common type, the word marks. A word mark is simply the text or name of your brand without any design element, just the letters. For example, brands like Google, Coca-Cola, or Microsoft are all protected by word marks. This gives the owner exclusive right to use that word or phrase in connection with specific goods or services. Next, we have design marks or logos. This type of trademark protects the brand's visual symbol or logo. Think of Apple logo or the golden arcs of McDonald's. These are iconic images that instantly identify the brand. A design mark focuses on the look and feel of the symbol itself, which can be powerful identifier in today's visually driven marketplace. Then there are combined marks. This is a combination of both words and design elements like company's name and the logo together. For example, the Starbucks logo includes both its name and design. This type of trademark gives you protection over the specific way these elements are combined, offering a broader level of brand security. Another important type is service marks. While trademarks typically apply to products, service marks are specifically used to protect services rather than physical goods. For example, a business like FedEx would use service marks to protect their services in logistics or consulting. Though the term trademark is often used for both technically, service marks are for service based industries. In addition, there are collective marks. They are used by groups or organizations to indicate membership or association. For example, CPA, Certified Public Accountant mark, is used by members of a professional accounting organization. Collective mark helps distinguish goods or services produced by members of a group from those of non-members. Finally, we have certification marks. These marks show that a product or service meets certain standards set by a third party. For instance, the wool mark symbol certifies that the product is made of 100% pure wool. Certification marks gives consumer confidence that the product they are buying meets specific quality or safety standards. So trademarks come in many forms, from word marks that protect brand names to design marks that protect logos to service marks for businesses offering services. Each type plays a vital role in securing your brand identity and making sure your business stand out in a competitive market. Now, let's study trademark law in India, an essential aspect of protecting brands in a rapidly evolving marketplace. First, let's understand the framework of trademark law in India. The primary legislation governing trademarks is the Trademarks Act of 1999, which was enacted to provide a comprehensive system for the registration and protection of trademarks in India. This act establishes a legal foundation for trademark rights and the processes for registration. Under this act, a trademark is defined as any sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of others. This includes words, logos, symbols, shapes, sounds, or even sayings. However, to be eligible for registration, a trademark must be distinctive and should not be deceptive or contrary to public policy. Now let's walk through the trademark registration process in India, a vital step for businesses looking to protect their brand identity. Step 1, trademark search. Before you even think about applying, it's crucial to conduct a trademark search. This preliminary step helps you determine if your desired trademark is already in use or registered by someone else. You can perform this search on the official website of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. A thorough research can save you time, effort, and potential legal challenges down the road. Step 2, filing the application. If your trademark is available, it's time to file an application with the CGPDTM, that is Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. You can file this application online, which is usually faster and more efficient. When filing out the application, you need to provide several important details, including the name and the address of applicant, clear representation of trademark, specific class of goods or services associated with trademark, and description of how the trademark will be used. You will also need to pay the required application fee, which varies depending on the type of applicant, whether you are an individual, startup, small enterprise, or a larger corporation. Step 3, trademark examination. So once your application is submitted, it enters the examination phase. Here, a trademark examiner reviews the application to ensure it meets legal requirement and conducts substantive examination. This means they will check if the trademark is distinctive and not similar to any existing marks. If the examiner finds no issue, the application moves forward. If there are objections, you will be notified and given a chance to respond. Step 4, publication in the trademark journal. If your trademark passes examination, it will be published in trademark journal. This is a significant step as it allows third parties to see your trademark and raise any objections if they believe it conflicts with their existing rights. Step 5, registration of trademark. If no oppositions are filed or if any opposition is resolved in your favor, your trademark will be registered. You will receive certificate of registration, which is essential as it grants you exclusive right to use the trademark in connection with the specified goods or services. Now let's delve into the important topic of trademark infringement and the remedies available to protect your brand. First, what is trademark infringement? So trademark infringement occurs when someone uses trademark that is identical or confusingly similar to registered trademark without permission from the trademark owner. This unauthorized use can lead to confusion among consumers regarding the source of the goods or services, potentially damaging the reputation and goodwill associated with the original brand. Infringement can take many forms, including counterfeiting, where a product is made to look like a branded product but it is not genuine; passing off, where a business misrepresents its goods or services as those of another brand; unauthorized use of similar logo or name that creates confusion in the marketplace. The impact of trademark infringement can be significant. It not only dilutes the brand's reputation but also lead to financial losses for original brand owner. So, what remedies are available in case of trademark infringement? The legal system provides several avenues for trademark owners to protect their rights and seek justice. These remedies typically fall into three main categories. First is injunction. One of the most common remedies is to seek an injunction, which is a court order that prevents the infringing party from using the trademark. This can be a temporary injunction issued quickly to stop infringement while the case is being decided, or a permanent injunction that prohibits future use after a decision is made. Second is damages. Trademark owners may also seek monetary damages for losses incurred due to infringement. This can include actual damages which compensate for the financial loss directly caused by the infringement, profits gained by the infringer, which may be awarded if original brand can prove that the infringer made profits from the unauthorized use of trademarks. Statutory damages, which are predetermined amounts that can be awarded in certain jurisdiction even if the trademark owner cannot prove actual damages. Legal cost. In addition to damages, the prevailing party may be awarded legal cost and attorney fees. This can help offset the expenses incurred while pursuing legal action against the infringer. Moreover, trademark owners have the option to pursue both civil and criminal remedies. In some cases, trademark infringement may be treated as a criminal offense, particularly in instances of counterfeiting. This can lead to fines and imprisonment for the infringer, providing an additional layer of protection for the trademark owner. To minimize the risk of infringement, trademark owners should actively monitor the marketplace for unauthorized uses of their trademark and enforce their rights promptly. Regularly conducting trademark searches and maintaining proper registration can also bolster their legal standing. So, trademark infringement poses a significant threat to brand integrity and reputation. However, the legal framework provides robust remedies to help trademark owners protect their rights and seek compensation for any harm caused. Understanding these remedies empower brand owners to act decisively against infringement and safeguard their hard-earned goodwill. Now we'll discuss the landmark case of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited versus Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, decided in 1972, which addresses the complexities of trademark registration and uses. So first we'll see the background. In this case, the dispute arose between two entities with similar names, both claiming rights to the trademark Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. The plaintiff, a company involved in the automobile industry, sought to protect its brand against the defendant, which also operated under the same name but was engaged in a different business sector. Now, what was the legal issues? The key legal question was whether the use of same trademark by both entities would lead to confusion among consumers and whether one could prevent the other from using the name. Judgment. The court ruled in favor of plaintiff, emphasizing that the protection of trademark is essential to prevent consumer confusion and safeguard brand identity. The judgment highlighted that the trademark serves not only as identifiers but of goods or services, but also as symbol of goodwill associated with the brand. This case set a precedent for future trademarks disputes in India, reinforcing the principle that similar trademarks, even if used in different sectors, can lead to confusion and potential damage to brand's reputation. The ruling underlined the importance of distinctive trademarks and the need for businesses to conduct thorough checks before adopting a brand name. In conclusion, the Mahindra and Mahindra Limited case is a significant landmark in Indian trademark law, showcasing the judiciary's role in balancing trademark rights and consumer protection. So, we have seen that trademarks play a vital role in the marketplace by providing a legal protection to brand identities, distinguishing goods and services, and fostering consumer trust. They serve not only as a symbol of quality and reputation, but also as a crucial asset for businesses, enhancing their market presence and value. Understanding the complexities of trademark registration, protection, and enforcement is essential for entrepreneurs and businesses. By safeguarding their trademarks, businesses can prevent infringement, maintain their competitive edge, and build strong brand loyalty. Moreover, effective trademark management fosters fair competition and innovation, ultimately benefiting consumers and the economy as a whole. As the business landscape continues to evolve, staying informed about trademark laws and actively protecting brand identities will be crucial for long-term success and sustainability in any industry. Thank you for all your attention today. Your presence and engagement been a great deal to us. We hope that the insights shared have been informative and valuable in enhancing your understanding of trademarks and their significance in the business world. If you have any questions or would like to dwell deeper into any of the topics we discussed, please feel free to reach out. We appreciate your time and look forward to engaging with you further. Thank you once again.